Dear students, Namaste. I am Subodh Kamble from SBNM College of D Pharmacy. In this video tutorial, I will discuss about the nomenclature of alkanes, that is, common system of naming alkanes. After watching this video, the students will be able to explain alkanes and know the general formula of alkanes. The students will be able to write the names, molecular formula and structural formulas of first 10 state chain alkenes. The students will also be able to evaluate the meanings of prefixes used for various isomers of alkenes. Now we will see what are alkenes. The alkenes are simplest organic compounds made of carbon and hydrogen only. That means alkane contains only carbon and hydrogen. And we already know that the compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. The alkanes are hydrocarbons that contains only single bond. In the classification of organic compounds, we have already learned that a hydrocarbon is said to be saturated if it contains only single bond. So, the alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. In this, the saturated means contains only single bond and hydrocarbons means contains only carbon and hydrogen. Now we will see the characteristics of alkanes. The alkanes have general formula CnS2n plus 2 where n is the number of carbon atoms and these may be 1, 2, 3, etc. What is general formula? The general formula is generated based on elements and functional groups present in an organic compound. See the example of methane. In methane, the number of carbon atoms is 1 and to calculate number of hydrogen atoms present in it, we can use the formula 2n plus 2. After putting the value of n, that is value of carbon atom in this formula, we can calculate it as 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 2. So the number of hydrogen atoms present in methane are 4. Now see the example of ethane. In ethane, the number of carbon atoms are 2 and the number of hydrogen atoms are 6. See how this 6 number is appears. To calculate the number of hydrogen atoms, we use 2n plus 2. In this, after putting the value of n, that is 2, in it, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2, and after calculating 2 by multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 2, that is the number of hydrogen atoms present in ethane are 6. We take another example, that is propane. See, in propane, the number of carbon atoms are 3 and the number of hydrogen atoms are 8. The 8 hydrogen atoms, the value is calculated by formula 2n plus 2. In this, n is the number of carbon atoms 3 and putting this value in formula 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2. After calculating 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2, that is the number of hydrogen atoms present in propane are 8. The first four members of series of alkanes are known by their common names, that is methane, ethane, propane and butane. And the names of higher or larger alkanes are derived from Greek prefixes that indicates the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Thus, pentane has 5, hexane has 6, heptane has 7, octane has 8, nonane has 9, and decane has 10 carbons in it. Now, we will see the names of first 10 straight chain alkanes. The first column is for number of carbon atoms present and the names are given in second column. The molecular formula and structural formula are given respectively in third and fourth column. The molecular formula indicates the exact number of atoms in the molecule and a structural formula is used to indicate not only the number of atoms but also their arrangement. C. Methane. Methane contains one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. Ethane contains two carbon atoms and six hydrogen atoms. As propane contains three carbon atoms, butane contains 4 carbon atoms, pentane contains 5 carbon atoms, hexane contains 6, heptane contains 7, octane contains 8, nonane contains 9, and decane contains 8. Now we will see the structural formula of methane. In this, the carbon atom is attached to 4 different bonds, that is hydrogen, and in ethane the two carbon atoms are attached to three hydrogen atoms respectively. When you observe the structural formulas of all these alkanes, you will see that the each next member of this series is differ by CH2 unit. For example, in pentane, it contains 3 CH2 units and in butane, it contains 2 CH2 units and in hexane, it contains 4 CH2 units. That is the butane, pentane and hexane. In this, the pentane and hexane are differed by 1 CH2 unit and pentane and butane are differed by 1 CH2 unit. So, this series of alkanes is also known as homologous series of alkanes. Now we will see the isomers in alkanes. The compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomers. In the common system, all isomeric alkanes have the same parent name. For example, two isomeric C4H10 alkanes are known as butanes. C. The structure of N-butane and isobutane. The structure of these compounds are different, but the molecular formula is same, that it contains 4 carbon, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this also it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Also, the first structure contains 10 hydrogen atoms, that is 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. In this structure, we will calculate the number of hydrogen atoms 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. That is, they having the same molecular formula but different structural formula. And in common system, the isomeric alkanes have same parent name. So it is named as butane, it is also named as butane. But the prefixes used in both the cases are different. That is, it is the straight chain, so N is used here, and it is a branched chain, so isobutane is used here. But when we name this structure in as per IUPAC system rules, then it gets changed as 2-methyl propane, as methyl group is attached at second position and basic longest chain is propane. The names of various isomers are distinguished by prefixes like "-, "-iso", or "-neo", and the prefix indicates the types of branching present in the molecule. Now we will see the meaning of prefix "-". The prefix "-" is used for those alkanes in which all the carbon atoms are in continuous chain, and the prefix "-" stands for normal or straight chain. See the example of N-butane and N-pentane. The structure contains straight chain of carbon atoms, and in the first structure it contains 4 carbon atoms, so it is butane, and in second structure it contains 5 carbon atoms, so it is pentane. Remember that N-alkane is unbranched and there is no atom or molecule attached to the straight chain. The meaning of prefix iso. The prefix iso is used to those alkanes which have a methyl group attached to the second last carbon atom of continuous chain. For example, isobutane and isopentane. When you observe both these structures, you will see that the methyl group is attached to the second last carbon atom. And remember that isoalkane contains CH3 twice, that is 2 methyl groups attached to CH. 2 methyl groups are attached to CH, and no other branches are present on parent chain. The meaning of prefix "-neo". The prefix "-neo" is used for those alkanes which have 2 methyl groups attached to the second last carbon atom. See the example of neopentane and neoheptane. The two CH3 groups 1, 2, 1, 2. The two CH2 groups are attached to the second last carbon atom. And remember that in neoalkane it contains CH3 thrice, that is 3 methyl groups are attached to carbon. The 3 methyl groups are attached to carbon, and there are no other branches present in it. Now we will see the summary of this tutorial. In this video, we learn about the introduction of alkanes. That is, the alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons that contains only carbon and hydrogen with single bond. We also studied the general formula of alkanes, and we studied the names, molecular formula, structural formulas of first 10 straight chain alkanes. We also learned about the various isomers of alkanes and the meaning of prefixes "-", "-iso", and "-neo" for naming of these alkanes. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will see the characteristics of homologous series and classification of carbon atom in alkanes. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your comments and suggestions for improvement are welcome. Thank you.